So do you think the world is going to emerge stronger post the pandemic, or I mean, are you optimistic? Are you pessimistic? And what are the reasons for that? Or do you think we'll
No,
just kind of
I
worry all our lives?
no, I mean, I think at every stage, I think life always throws different things at all of us. And uh, personally, I'm always someone who's always a embraced everything that comes my way, good, bad, ugly, whatever. I think the first step is to embrace, and I think uh, again, my personal way of dealing with situations has always been optimistic. Um, and so I do feel like there is a silver lining. I do feel like there is something good that is going to come out of this. Um, and at various levels, at a personal level, I think friends and family, I think in and even in the broader sense, even globally, I feel like that's just the kind of person I am. um, I always look at situations no matter how bad. And yes, I mean, I know it's been extremely severe and extremely hard on some people. um, but I think if I zoom out, um, if we zoom out of it and sort of, I definitely feel like we're going to evolve for sure. There is definitely going to be evolution. And at a personal level, I definitely feel like, there's definitely some learning, some silver lining in this. um, some of us might realize it instantly, some of us might realize it some months or years down the line. But I'm always an optimist, and I really feel like, there is something for all of us to learn from this, and that something good will come out of it.
So you, again, Deepika, this is for you. You won the World Economic Forum's Crystal Award this year for your work in healthcare, and so do you have plans of focusing your work in India, or do you want to move and take your foundation to other countries, especially underserved countries in Asia and Africa, where people do not have access? And now that Anna mentioned that you're going to focus on using a lot of social media and electronically communicating with people, so that would give you a much larger access and reach. So, do you have any
Yeah.
plans like that? What's the next step?
No, I think the foundation, we're very specifically focused on India. And the reason for that is because mental health, mental illness is very, very contextual. There is no one rule fits all. Our own history, our own um, in the way that our country functions, our culture, our heritage. I think so many things come into play when we address mental health and mental illness. Um, and so we're very, very focused on doing work in India specifically. We don't have plans of taking this global. Do we intend showcasing our work globally? Of course. And we've been part of several events, or um, you know we've had several opportunities to showcase what we do globally, the work that we do in India. But do we plan to take the work and do the actual groundwork outside of India? No. It's very, very specifically India focused, India centric.